Hello guys, so ngayon tuturuan ko kayo kung paano kunin ang gyro error, true heading, magnetic error, present variation, and deviation. So para kunin yung gyro error, kailangan natin gamitin yung formula na gyro bearing minus true bearing. So para kunin siya, yung gyro bearing is 0.38 degrees minus true bearing na 0.40 degrees equals 2 degrees. So yun, ito na ang ating gyro error, 0.02 degrees. So para naman kunin yung true heading, kailangan natin gawin yung formula na gyro heading minus gyro error. Yung gyro heading natin is 0.90 degrees minus gyro error na 2 degrees. So magiging 88 degrees. Ito na yung ating true heading, 88 degrees. Ay, yung sa gyro error pala, magiging 2 degrees east siya kasi pag mas mataas yung true bearing, east yun. So lagyan natin ng east. Tapos para kunin naman yung magnetic error, gagamitin natin formula is magnetic heading minus true heading. So yung magnetic heading natin is 0.95 degrees minus true heading natin na 88 degrees. So magiging sagot is 7 degrees west. West siya kasi mas mataas ang magnetic heading, kasi pag mas mataas ang true bearing, east siya. Okay. 7 degrees west. Para naman kunin yung present variation, gagawin na nating formula is etong lalagyan natin 15 degrees east, 2015, and 2 degrees east. Tapos para makuha to, ipag-minus natin yung 2015 sa current year ngayon, which is 2023. So 2015 minus 2023 equals 8. Tapos bring down 2 equals times 2 degrees east equals 16. Tapos ibababa natin tong 15 degrees east. Tapos pagpa-plus natin yung 16 degrees east and 15 degrees, so magiging sagot is 31 degrees east. Ito na yung ating present variation, 31 degrees east. So para kunin naman yung deviation, gagawin natin is deviation natin deviation, magnetic error plus present variation. So magnetic error natin is 7 degrees west plus present variation na 31 degrees east. Tapos yung east, papalitan natin siya ng west. para maging same na sila, so pwede na silang ipag-add. Yung 7 plus 31 degrees west equals 38 degrees west. So, ito na yung ating deviation. 38 degrees west. So, yun lang. Thank you for watching.